Most traders waste years trying to make every single strategy logical, but Jim Simon's Medallion Fund broke every single rule and still crushed the markets, averaging 66% for decades. So I tried their no logic approach and created strategies like this one, trading on my live account for the past 11 months with a return on drawdown ratio of over 6.55. So today I'm going to show you the 3 surprising lessons from their approach and how you can use it in your own strategy development. So Jim Simons created Renaissance Technologies and the Medallion Fund, which averaged 66% profits annually over 30 years. This is the best record of any hedge fund ever in history. But the thing is, he didn't hire traders. He hired mathematicians, physicists, cryptographers, and weather forecasters. None of them had experience in trading, so they didn't come to work with preconceived notions of how you should trade a certain market. Their job was to find patterns in data, so they took a science and data-based approach to trading. In the book, they do give examples of the initial strategies where they did use logic, but a lot of the times as their system developed and matured, they found that they just couldn't explain the signals that their system generated. It didn't make sense. So here's a quote from chapter 14. Stocks and other investments are influenced by more factors and forces than even the most sophisticated investors appreciate. And Renaissance staffers deduced that even more influenced investment, including forces not readily apparent or sometimes logical. Check out the last part of the quote, not readily apparent or sometimes logical. This means they couldn't explain the system that was being generated. It didn't make logical sense to the human brain. This is totally different to what a lot of other gurus will tell you online. They tell you that there needs to be a logical reason why a strategy works. But if they think that way, then they're throwing away perfectly good strategies just because they don't understand it. And humans naturally want explanations. But the Medallion Fund, they encouraged a different mindset shift in their employees. Instead of seeking comfort in logical explanations, they put a heavy emphasis in validation. So the retail mindset usually goes, I need to understand the system. They prioritize logic first, and the explanation gives them confidence to trade the system. But the Renaissance employees' mindset was totally different. They prefer to use a validation method, to use data and evidence to give them the confidence in their own system. There is a famous quote that says, we don't care why it works as long as it works. And I'm also a huge believer in using evidence and data over my gut feel, especially since I am an ex-programmer and data scientist. My students, when they applied the process I teach, they managed to receive multiple DarwinX 30K silver allocations like David and Lucas, who also got over 4K in private investments. By the way, DarwinX Zero is a trading platform that can fund your trading and help you attract investor capital. And there's 4 stages. There's silver, gold, investor capital, and boosters, which range from 30K up to 500K. And these 4 different funding methods are stackable, so you can get multiple allocations in the one account. And I personally trade on DarwinX Zero, and I'm currently managing 120K in DarwinX Silver allocations. And you can use the code Lisa when signing up for a discount with them. So in the book, Jim says we are right 50.75% of the time. This gives them a tiny edge of 0.75%. Notice that this is not 60, 70, 80%. Basically, this is just slightly better than a coin flip. Compare that to all the other gurus online who are advertising 60, 70, 80% win rates with no evidence. The Medallion Fund managed to make on average 66% per year over 30 years. The best hedge fund in history only had a 0.75% edge. They didn't rely on win rates. They relied on a huge number of trades, thousands and thousands, which add up over time to billions and billions of dollars in profit. The Medallion Fund basically proves that you don't need to be right often. You only need to be slightly right consistently and over thousands and thousands of trades, which translates in retail terms: have a small edge, trade a lot, and be disciplined in your trading even throughout the drawdown periods. And this entire formula is way better than a high win rate. Now, the hedge fund was very secretive about their operations and they didn't reveal a lot about their underlying strategy, but we still can take away 3 core concepts from this book. First of all, the trading strategies you develop don't necessarily need to have a logical explanation. It's much more important to have good data and a systematic process that will generate signals for you. And finally, each system you develop doesn't have to be amazing. They can have a slight edge, just slight. So instead of chasing amazing strategy curves, add up a lot of small mediocre strategies together and combine them over hundreds of trades, you will get amazing results. Like my own accounts of 77 strategies, which have been trading for 322 days. The first account made 257% and the second account made 148%. I didn't use logic to create these strategies. I concentrated on improving my process, improving my backtesting. So watch this video where I show you how to backtest whilst avoiding overfitting.